Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2781st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome, welcome. So, it's getting a little cooler out. It's not 118 today in Vegas. It's 104. So I'm getting a little closer to running up into that studio and getting in front of the camera. But for now, it's kind of hot outside. Let me show you what I want to show you on this desktop shoot. You are looking at the Bitcoin daily chart, video number 2781, coming at you on July 30th, 2024, for trading, I should say on July 30th, Tuesday, 2024. Remember how risky trading is? Risky, 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 risky. We had a monstrous trade today in NASDAQ, but imagine if it would have gone the opposite way. We would have needed that stop in to knock us out, right? Luckily, it went well, but without a stop, we could have been murderized. So, put your stops in, put them in first. Let's get moving. Traders, this is our moment. Remember the question? How many times? 3 videos now I said, we've got a question. A, will Bitcoin finally go through this time? If you remember, Bitcoin was down here, and we were talking about making it up to that arrow. And when it gets there, what will it do? A, will it go through this time? What do I mean by that? Well, it didn't go through this time, and it didn't go through here, and it didn't go through here, and it didn't go through here, and we're here. What's it going to do? And our question to you was, will it go through? A, or B, will it fail once again at resistance? Now, I will admit many of you answered this because I've done it in 3 videos already. I've asked the same question. And many of you said, A, this time it's going to go through. And I have to say, there's a part of me that absolutely agrees with you, but we will take it one day at a time. My question to you tonight is, now that we're here at do or die moment, and guess what? Guess what this is? This is day 1 of a 2-day Fed meeting. What does that mean? Does that mean after the Fed meeting is over on Wednesday and they speak that we will make it through and continue up? Or will it die? That's the question of the day. A, will it go through this time? B, will it fail once again at resistance and fall back down? Add to the mix, you've got day 1 of a Fed meeting on Tuesday. Day 2 is Wednesday. The Fed will end that meeting and have a press conference. And what they say will make the markets gyrate, right? That always happens after a press conference, after a Fed meeting. So what do you think will happen? Will it be A? Will we go through this time? Have we had enough knocking? Knock, 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 knock. How many times do we have to knock on that door for it to go through? Well, we might have to knock again. It could easily end up back down here. So I ask you again, what is your answer? Answer right now, A or B. Will it go through this time, Bitcoin? Or will we find ourselves back down here once again? I'll wait for your answers and we'll go forward from there. All right, so many of you had answered. I'm going to tally up all 4 videos, tonight's plus the 3 before it, and see exactly how many chose A, it will go through, or B, it will fail. And I'll let you know how you guys are doing, and we'll have it all tallied and totaled before Wednesday, the last day of the Fed meeting. So I wanted to show you that, and I wanted to remind you of something else. The analysis put forth in this video, a live streaming class that I did a few days ago, is absolutely valid, 100% valid for trading the next few days. This is what the entire webinar, I should say live streaming session, was about, to get you ready for this Fed meeting. So I'm going to leave this very link right here below the video. I want you to take a look at that link. Of course, I wanted to show you that we were at the spot. Oh, that's not the short. I wanted to show you that we were at the spot, the do or die moment. We've all been waiting for this for quite some time. It's pretty exciting. I'm excited. What should happen? I want to hear you weigh in on this, A or B. And then, of course, go back and make sure that you review this video, because all the information on what should happen this week during and after the Fed meeting is all in this video.
There's an average there as well. Do you see it?
Make sure you relive that video, review it, watch it again, and get ready for the Fed meeting. Traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Make sure you come on down to livewithoscar.com. Make sure you hang out with me in my free live trading room. It costs you absolutely zero, not even a credit card, to join Live with Oscar and be right here in this live trading room where I'm waving to you right now, and traders are lined up in that trading room waiting for our next trade. If you'd like to be part of that action every day and every night, just go to livewithoscar.com. Fill out a quick, questionnaire about your name, password, whatever you want to choose. No credit card will be required. You'll be a member of Live with Oscar, and you can join me in my free trading room. We hope to see you there. Barring that, do the right thing. Put your stops in first. Keep your emotions out of trading, and be calm and still when you're in these markets. So, answer the question A or B, traders. We going up through the line, or we're going to break down? I want to tally your answers. I'll let you know how we did. I will speak to you tomorrow. Remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave your comments below. Like and share these videos, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.